So I just got this box from Amazon, and what's inside are these leveling caster with wheel, which I will be using as replacement for this leveling feet from Next Level Racing's bottom mount sim racing setup. As you can see from my current setup, it's kinda in the way that I can't use my TV aside from just sim racing only, because I can't move it, apparently because of its weight. And sure, I can buy this conventional type of caster, but with this kind of setup, I don't want it to look like a trolley or a cart. So I find this type of wheel as the most ideal for sim racing, especially if you have a small space or if your setup requires you to move it whenever you are not using it, just like mine. But there is a problem. I've been searching for this type of wheel, and all of them use an M12 bolt, which is this one, while the maximum nut, this type of aluminum profile can fit, is M8 or 8mm only. As you see, it won't fit. The good news is there's this thing that we can buy. This one. Yeah, so this part is M12 and the other end is M8. I'll be posting the Amazon link in the video description if you're interested in getting this type of caster wheel and this reducer type of bolt. So if your setup uses a different type of aluminum profile, just check what type of bolt it is, and that's what you need to get. You can choose from different sizes, no problem. Now I will be trying to replace these leveling feet myself off cam, but if it will be impossible for me, then let's wait for tomorrow for help, as it is already late at night and everybody's asleep. So I thought it would be hard for me to replace it myself, but it turns out it's very easy than I thought. All I need is a box to help me lift the first side so I can easily uninstall and reinstall the new feet and do the same thing on the other side. Plus, I was able to record it as well. Okay, that was smooth. And how amazing it is that I can move it with just one finger. Now, a couple of things here. Now, if I swipe or turn this to left, you are activating the wheel. How will you know that you are, or how will you know that the wheel is touching the ground? Simply move this wheel. So if you still can, then it's still the foot that is touching the ground. Swipe this to left again until you won't be able to move the wheel. Do this on the rest of the wheels and you can now move the entire rig. When I set this aside, I don't have to activate the foot since no one's gonna sit there. But once I decide to move it back to the mid here and ride a car to play, I need to activate the foot and bring the wheel up first. So this time, turn the adjustable knob to the right. There, right. Touch the wheel, and once you can spin it, once you can spin this, it is now the foot that is touching the ground. So I need to do it once more, or a few more. Move it. Okay, few more. Few more. Now you see I can now move the wheel. Yeah, so do this on the rest of the feet, and you are now ready to play. But make sure that all of them are level. If you're Uzi like me and you don't want to see the wheel, just lift this thing and then turn this to the other side. Okay, it's hard for me because I'm recording right now. So yeah, I guess that's all that we have for this video. If you're interested in getting one of these upgrades or my sim racing setup, I will post the link in the video description below. If you want to see me using this rig and do other stuff, check my other YouTube video or YouTube channel for more. See you next time and on my other channel.